Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new tutorial video. Inside this video we will continue to develop our coffee application with SwfitUI. Okay, let's get started. As you can see in the left side of our Xcode IDE, we have some packages for every page. I mean, you can put these entire packages inside one package, but this is just a UI video. We won't develop any backend solution inside this video. That's why I prefer it that way. Inside this video, we will focus on onboarding screen. And as you can see, our onboarding view, as you can see in here, we have also one preview. That's why we can see our UI in the right side of our Xcode. As you can see, we have some packages table with items. Actually, it's not package, it's a table with items. User can see every page item which is click that button. And let's look the code. Actually, as you can see, we have a one binding parameter is authenticated. It's a boolean type, and also we have three parameters with state annotation. Inside the is authenticated parameter, we are gonna use for open a new sheet. If is show sign-in parameter will be true, we are gonna pass to user our sign-in view, and actually we are gonna use is authenticated parameter actually in here inside content view. As you can see, we have a one if condition. If user authenticated, we are calling to our main tab view. If it is false, we are calling to our onboarding view when the user open our application first time. And as you can see, we have onboarding data. It's a list actually, includes our onboarding page struct. As you can see, it's a struct, it's a data class actually. As you can see, we have title, subtitle, image name, and background image. As you can see in the right side of Xcode, we have one image in here, we have a text, we have description, I mean subtitle, and also we have one background color. And we are defining our parameters, our data in here as a list actually. As you can see, first page content will be coffee break, enjoy your day with coffee. And also we have a one image, it's a icon actually, and also we have one background image in here, and we define our background images inside our asset folder, asset file actually. As you can see, I added three images in here. And let's back to onboarding view. We have one body, we have a one tab view in here, and selection will be our current page. We define it our current page in here. It will works for user can understand, or our application will understand which page user in right now. And we have for each in here with onboarding data count, because we have a list in here. If I added one more data class parameter inside that list, it will be 4 pages in here. That's why we are using the for each. Inside the Z stack, we have a one if let condition in here, and we are defining our background image name in here with a image, and we have a linear gradient in here. Beside the vertical state, we added two spacers, and one more vertical state, we added our image name in here. as you can see in here, and text for title and text for our subtitle. As you can see in the right side, we have one image name in here, onboarding data. Of course, we are using the index for our onboarding data list because our application has to know which page I will put which item. And also we are defining our dots in here, as you can see, our circle actually in here, and we added some customizations for our dot icons. And also we have one button in here, and our button text will be, if user inside the last page, we will put that text with get started text. If it is not, we will put next text. And we added some customization like backgrounds, padding, frame, foreground, color. When the user click that button, as you can see, we have one if condition in here. If our current page smaller than our onboarding data count, and we are adding one more value inside our current page. If it is else, we are show, as you can see, we are adding show sign in boolean parameter equals to true. When we look to this boolean parameter, which area we are gonna use for this project, as you can see, if it is true, automatically sign in with will display on the user device. And yes, thanks for watching. This is the second video of this tutorial series. See you in the next video.